Hello and welcome to this video course, Keys to Product Creation Success. And in this course, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be putting together what is for you a checklist of things that if you want to be considering throughout your WSO launch or even any particular product creation launch. It doesn't have to be a WSO. Now, each video, what you need to understand, it could be a course all by itself. So we are really giving you an overview of internet marketing product creation and giving you something so that when you have completed your course or as you go throughout your course, you want to start thinking about all of these things that we're going to be going through. Now, many of these points, right, even the individual points within the video itself, they could probably take an hour all by itself to explain in depth. So this is not a course that's going to be comprehensive in depth, but it is very comprehensive in scope. In fact, you should then take this course in order to be successful. Things that you don't know and you don't know well, do the research in order to learn more. So now, how do you take this course and get more success out of your launch? Or how do you take this success and become more successful in your business? You want to make sure that you are paying attention to everything that we're talking about as you create a product. You want to consume this course and use it as a guide or checklist. These are things that if you leave them out of your course, you are going to have a less than successful course and a less than successful income, however you define it. Now, the other thing is that you want to start with the 10 rules we're going to be talking about. These are the 10 rules of internet marketing. You want to understand where your course fits in. Some people almost think that by creating a course, they're creating an entire business system. But you want to understand all of the business systems that work together in order for you to market your course if you want to make sure that you're maximizing your income from one product creation. We're going to be talking about the elements of top selling and fast selling products. So what can you do to make sure that your course is going to be fast selling? We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about the content you use to drive traffic, whether or not you're blogging or you are using podcasting, or you are using video, or you are using Hangouts, or you are using webinars. What should you put into your content? What are the things that your content must do if you are going to be successful in using it to drive traffic to a particular offer? If you are going to have copywriting done for you, or if you're going to be doing it yourself, what are the keys to writing good copy? What are the keys to mastering copywriting when you put something into a form of a product in order to sell? What are the 8 key numbers that you must track in every product launch? What are the 8 key numbers that you should be tracking in your internet marketing business? You want to make sure that you know those things, because these numbers are going to be key in understanding whether or not you're having a successful launch and what you need to do in order to fix it. What are the key 10 potential profit leaks? What are the things that if you can close these things up, that you will keep your WSO or your launch from leaking profit to either other competitors or to things that you will that are under your control? In other words, how can you close up every loophole so that you're keeping your customer engaged in order to make profit from every launch? How can you make your product stand out? There are some key things that you can be doing to put into your product, the things that will make your customer remember your product and be looking and anticipating what you're going to be putting out next. What are the resources that you must have or invest in or obtain in order to have a successful product launch again and again and again? When you start thinking about what you're making from a product launch, you want to start taking some of what you're making to put it away to invest in the things that you must have. We're going to give you a list of the things that you should be putting into your budget so that as you generate profit, you reinvest that profit into these things so that you will be successful. And of course, each of these videos are designed to give you what you need in order to know that your course is maximizing profit. These really are key factors in making sure that your product is complete. Sometimes you can feel as if once you've completed the videos and you have a sales page up and you've got your buy button, you're ready to go. And certainly we don't necessarily have to shoot for perfection, but you do want to make sure at the very least that you're making every dime that you could be making, and that is what this course is going to do for you when you apply what you're learning and use this course, each video and each slide as a checklist. Okay, so with that, let's get into the course.